Good morning, students. Now we will study the motion of the charge particle in an electric field. As the charge particle having a velocity v enters a uniform electric field, then what will happen? What will happen to its trajectory? Whether the charge particle will move in straight line or it will move with some different trajectory, that we will see in this topic. Okay, so let us see. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Okay, and we have to apply the electric field. This is the electric field. Okay, so the direction of the electric field is from the positive to negative. This you know very well. So this is the direction of the electric field, or you can suppose that this is the plates of this one, positive plate, and this is the negative plate. Electric field is in this direction. See, this is the region, x is the region of the electric field. Okay, so what happens, this is origin. If a charge particle having a velocity v, which charge particle, positive or negative? So let us consider here the positive charge. So a positive charge particle having a velocity v, as it enters perpendicular, see the direction of electric field is in this direction, and the charge particle is entering perpendicular to the electric field. So what will happen? This charge particle will experience a force. How much force it will experience? The force is equal to Q into E. Here the charge is positive, so this much amount of the force, the charge particle, as it is moving with the velocity v, enters the electric field. Okay, so what will happen? So it will experience a force along the direction of the charge is positive, so the force experienced by the charge particle is along the direction of the electric field. So what will happen? As this charge particle enters the electric field, it will experience a deflecting force along the direction of the electric field. Okay, what will happen? It will experience a force along the direction of the electric field, and see the path or the trajectory of the charge particle is something parabolic, that we will find out. Okay, so as the charge particle enters the electric field, it will experience a force along the electric field. So Newton says that according to Newton's second law, the charge particle will accelerate. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So what will happen? So mass into acceleration is equal to Q into E. So acceleration is equal to QE upon M. So this much amount acceleration the charge particle will have. Okay. Now what we will do? We will see that how much time it will take to cross the electric field. So time taken to cross the electric field. Okay, time taken to cross the electric field. So how we know that velocity is equal to something x upon t. So t is equal to how much? X upon v. Okay, so this much amount of time it will take to cross the electric field. We know that how much distance it is covering in the y direction. This much is the y direction, means this much is the distance covering in the y direction. Okay, so we know that s is equal to uxt plus half ax t square. This thing, you know, s is equal to ut plus half at square. So distance traveled, that is along the y direction. Ux is the initial velocity along x-axis. Ax is the acceleration along the x-axis. So initial velocity x-axis be, let us suppose to be 0. So y is equal to half acceleration along x-axis. This is the acceleration along x-axis. So this is equal to qe upon m into how much is the time taken to cross, that is x upon v ka whole square. So y is equal to half qe upon m x square upon v square. Okay, so as the charge is constant, electric field is constant, here this one mass is constant, and as the charge particle enter with some velocity v. ठीक है, so can we write, and half is also constant, so can we write y is equal to kx square. So this is the equation of parabola. ठीक है, so as the power of x is even, so it is symmetric about y axis, something like this. So ठीक है, so as the charge particle enters a uniform electric field, it will experience a force, and because of that what will happen, it will move along the parabolic path. Here two things we have to remember. First, point number 1, as the positive charge particle, if it is moving along the electric field, a positive charge particle, if it is moving along the electric field, it will move in straight line. Okay, see the trajectory. If a charge particle is moving along the electric field, if the charge particle is moving like this along the electric field, so it will move in the straight line. Secondly, if the charge particle is moving perpendicular to the electric field, पहले इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के along था तो स्ट्रेट लाइन में जा रहा था, और secondly if the charge particle is moving perpendicular to the electric field, it will move along the parabolic path. Okay, it will move along the parabolic path. So these two things you have to remember, कि when the path is a straight line and when the path is parabolic. Okay, thank you.